This is Legoland Discovery Center in Dallas Fort Worth. The first thing we went to was this little 4D movie. It was a short and it was really cute. There wasn't much going on with it, but we did get splashed and it was oddly funny. And then we went into this mini Lego version of the Dallas Fort Worth area. And this thing was insanely accurate and vivid. It was super cool to just see the Dallas area just shrunk down into a little Lego city. It goes the whole way around the room. Some of the displays were actually interactive. The kids really enjoyed this section. See, got the little rodeo going on. And then they do have a little area where you can go get your little license at and you can drive around. There was a little bit of a wait, so we ended up coming back to that after we explored a little bit more. There were way more Lego characters than we even knew existed. So that was really cool, just seeing all of them. It was like a whole wall. It was insane how many there were. And then there was a little area where you can make your own Lego thing. These are just different ones that different people put up. So you've got Tiana, the Scream mask, some Pokemon. It was really fun just to see everyone's different creations that have come through there. And you could make your own and add it to the wall if you wanted to. And then they have the different Lego artworks on the wall. These are really cool because, this one changes. It's like a little Mona Lisa that changes into a Lego Mona Lisa when you move. They did have this Ninjago kind of area. The kids did love this. They went down the slide quite a few times and they made some cute little friends while they were in there. The Kingdom Quest we were not able to record. They had little areas throughout where you could get your necklace stamped and you could collect things in the gift shop afterwards. They had a little coffee shop. It was a little pricey, but overall it was decent. And then they did have VR areas. We did not do that. And then they had the Lego Duplo area for the younger children. Overall, it was a good experience.